Hello everyone, and welcome to Pearson Bio Academy. I am Fazna Imran, your go-to channel for mastering biology through past paper practice. In this video series, we'll be breaking down every paper, step by step, so you'll be well prepared for your exams. Whether you're just starting out, need a few more papers to boost your skills, or are aiming for a top grade, we've got you covered. No matter how many papers you need to review, your path to an A starts here. Let's dive in. Today, we'll be focusing on the Pearson Edexcel International Advanced Level Biology, specifically paper WB 12/01. Unit 2. This paper covers essential topics like cell development, biodiversity, and conservation. Let's explore these areas in depth and make sure you're fully prepared for what's to come. While having solid theory knowledge is important, mastering past paper practice is an art in itself, and it's essential for success. Practice is mandatory if you want to excel in your exams. Why should you practice so many past papers? Let me explain. First, past paper practice familiarizes you with the structure and format of the exam. You'll begin to recognize common themes and even get a sense of the examiner's mindset. It's like analyzing the exam from the inside out. So, when the day comes, you won't be surprised by the paper, you'll already know the route. All that's left is to drive. Second, time management. Many students have a strong grasp of the content but still struggle in exams due to poor time management. That's why, in this video series, we'll show you how to divide your time efficiently for each question, helping you make the most of every minute. Lastly, the core of this paper is application of knowledge. If you've looked at past papers, you'll notice that most questions require you to apply what you've learned, not just repeat theory. By practicing these papers, you'll sharpen your ability to use theory in practical scenarios. And finally, I'm confident that this video series will guide you to write answers that meet the mark scheme level. Let's work together to achieve that. I've made a basic classification of the key topics covered in your exam paper, WBI 12/01. These topics, or subtopics, are derived directly from the past papers and your student book. They include cell structure, cell cycle, development of organisms, plant structure and function, classification, biodiversity, conservation. These areas are central to your exam, so mastering them is crucial for success. For each topic, based on past papers, I've made some clarifications to help you better understand the key areas. These clarifications aren't official but are based on trends I've noticed from the exam questions. For example, under plant structure and function, past papers often focus on the plant stem structure. You might get questions about the xylem, phloem, or sclerenchyma, including diagrams for you to identify their structures. Then we have cellulose and starch. While we usually learn about cellulose in the context of the cell wall and starch as a storage molecule, past papers often combine the two in questions, asking you to compare them. So, I've grouped them together for easier understanding. Another frequent topic is inorganic ions. Plants need water and ions like nitrate, phosphate, magnesium, and calcium to grow. Questions often ask about the role of these ions in plant growth. I've organized all the topics in a way that simplifies the past paper questions for you. In this video series, we'll focus on each subtopic from this categorization and tackle the past paper questions together. For example, when we study plant stem structure, we'll look at all the relevant questions on one screen at once. This approach will make the videos short, clear, and effective. If you're ready to dive deeper into this topic, just click the video and let's explore together. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow the Pearson Bio Academy channel for more continuous learning and exciting new videos every week. Stay tuned.